Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford Ranger LARIAT. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle's going to be powered by that lovely 2.7 liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, comes equipped with the black appearance package, and we do get rear park sensing, backup camera, mud flaps on the rear and front. We got blind spot detection, side view camera, and move to the front. We do get front park sensing, recovery hooks, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat 205 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior. Got this nice design on it. Floor mats, carpet interior, with storage underneath. Plenty of door space in the back with storage, USB, USB-C, and of course you do get cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, power folding mirrors, memory seat for up to 3 drivers, lights, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 8 kilometers. Got this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, cruise control, with a lane sentry. We got digital speedometer, RPMs, all the usuals with my view, trip and fuel, off-road, towing, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. To memory, we got our gear select, parking brake, auto stop, auto start, drive modes, traction, and park assist, which is just your park chimes you can turn on or off. We have your four-wheel drive, cup holders, more storage here with a nice little phone slot, outlets, your center console with tons of more storage. You got a 12 volt down there. We got dual climate up front. You got your fans, hazards, storage there and below. And above me we got our features for our rear window opener, our features for our garage or door transmitter, and looking at our main screen here we have all our climate controls at the bottom, dual climate, heated front seats and heated steering wheel. And looking at our main screen here, we do have our audio with AM, FM, Bluetooth, SiriusXM. You got your phone controls here, so this is where you connect your phone. Pretty easy to use. You got navigation on this car as well. Zoom in or out. Go 3D. Search recent saved, all that jazz. You got tow and haul mode as well, which allows you to have a towing checklist, profiles, and settings. Really customize it how you like. All your apps will be found in here. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, zone lighting, sketch, and your vehicle settings here, such as your auto hold, calm screen, and your lovely 360 view of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LE23537, and you can head on in a PG Ford or give us a call.